Welcome! In front of me I have a XIAOMI Smart Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this smart band on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your smart band. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your smart band, or rather from your phone on your smart band, your band needs to be paired with your phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our smart band. Once you open the app, you should see the health page. Now you can tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on this page you should see your Smart Band 8. Now scroll down and find the notifications and calls category, and here we have app notifications and incoming calls. First, let's tap on the app notifications. If you don't have required permissions allowed on your phone, you will see the pop-up on the screen. You need to tap on OK. It will redirect you to the notification access probably, and here you need to find the Mi Fitness application, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow, and then go back. And now you can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch, and you can also enable and disable a couple options like receive only when the phone is locked and wake screen. So basically this option, if you turn it on, you won't receive notifications on your smart band if the screen on your phone is unlocked. And this option, if you turn it on, when you receive the notification, it will wake up the screen on your smart band. So enable it if you want, and then you can go to more options, and here we have options like sync all notifications or custom notifications. And if you want to receive the notifications from all apps on your phone, you can enable this option, but if you only want to receive the notifications from certain apps, you can tap on custom notifications. It will open the list of applications, and you can scroll through it, find the app you want to receive the notifications from, enable it, and then tap on got it. Basically how it works is, if you enable the notifications right here for certain app and you receive that, or rather you receive notification from that app on your phone, then the notification will be forwarded to your smart band. And if you disable it, it won't be forwarded, so you'll be seeing it only on your phone. So customize it to your liking and tap on done. Now let's go back to the device page, and here let's enable the notifications for calls. So let's tap on incoming calls, and we can enable the option, and as you can see we need to allow some permissions, so let's allow them like that. And now we can enable and disable the vibration option, the reply with message, and if you enable a reply with message, you will be able to set quick responses, so you can tap on quick responses, and here you can add new ones. You can edit them if you want to by tapping on edit and tapping on one, or changing the order on the list. You can remove them, and I don't think you can edit the content of the response, so you need to add new one if you want to change it. Okay, and below the responses we have delay alerts, and you can delay the alert for calls. So basically if somebody calls you, and the smart band will wait a certain amount of time to alert you, and then it will alert you about the call. And you can tap on time, and you can set the delay right here up to 30 seconds. Okay, and once you're done turning on your notifications and customizing the settings for them, you should be able to receive them on your smart band. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and I got it on my phone. Here's the notification, and if I wake up the screen on our smart band, swipe down from the top of the screen, as you can see we have it right here, and you can tap on it to read it. You can dismiss it, you can open it on a phone if you want to. You can also clear notification by swiping left on it or tapping on clear all. And as you can see, it's working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for the smart band on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.